In the previous lesson, Mr. Jones moved the kitchen corner away from the center of the viewport, which is the starting point for Archimesh when creating cabinets. To correct this, select the first cabinet and press the N key to open the slide bar menu if it isn't already visible. Navigate to the Item tab to see the cabinet's location in 3D space. To move the kitchen corner back to the center of the viewport, click on the X location value and press Ctrl and C to copy it. In the Tools, select the Select box and carefully use the lasso technique to select only the kitchen cabinets. Activate the Move tool and drag the cabinets along the X-axis by using the red arrow. On the panel that appears in the lower left corner, click on Move X to select the value field, then press Ctrl and V to paste the copied value. Change the number to its opposite value and press Enter to move the cabinets to the center of the viewport. Then press the Del key to focus on the cabinets. To focus on the countertop, select it by clicking on its edge starting from the center of the screen. Press Del to zoom in on the selected area. Activate the Measure tool. Then hold down the Control key. Click and drag from one corner of the countertop to the opposite corner, starting and ending when a small white square appears. This will create a dimension line, indicating the countertop's length of 1.22 meters. Let's start by creating the wall cabinets. Begin by selecting Create from the slide bar and then choose Cabinet from the Archimesh panel. This time, we'll position the cabinet starting from the upper corner of the wall. First, select the cabinet and set its type to Wall. Then, change the door type to None and specify the number of shelves you need. Set the cabinet width to 0.35 meters, which is the standard depth for wall cabinets. This ensures that the cabinets will align perfectly with those on adjacent wall. Given that the length of the side wall is 1.22 meters, adjust the position X shift to 1.22 meters minus 0.35 meters the cabinet width. This adjustment will ensure the cabinet is precisely aligned with the wall. Once adjusted, select the new cabinet to confirm its placement. Press the Cabinets button once more. You'll notice that the tool retains the previous settings. Reset the position X to 0 to center the new cabinet within the viewport. To configure the cabinet's dimensions, set the width to 1.22 meters, which is the side length minus 0.35 meters the width of the corner cabinet. This adjustment will create a larger cabinet that can accommodate a double configuration. Another option is to create two cabinets. The first cabinet will have a width of 0.60 meters to align with the floor cabinet. The remaining space will be occupied by a smaller cabinet with a width of 0.62 minus 0.35 meters, where 0.62 meters is the width of the floor cabinet and 0.35 meters is the width of the corner cabinet. Select another object to confirm the placement. Press the Cabinets button once more. In the Number of Cabinets field, select 1 to create the cabinet step by step. Set the position X shift to 1.22 meters, which is the length of the first side minus 0.35 meters, the default depth of the cabinets. Set the position Y shift to minus 0.35 meters, which represents the depth of the corner cabinet. Next, adjust the rotation to 90 degrees clockwise. After rotating the cabinet, fine-tune its position along the wall by using the arrows in the Position X Shift field. Set the width of the cabinet to 0.6 meters, which is the width of the underneath cabinet, plus 0.62 meters, the depth of the corner floor cabinet, minus 0.35 meters, the depth of the wall corner cabinet. This adjustment ensures that the right side of the large cabinet aligns correctly with the underneath cabinet. Change the door type to double. For each additional cabinet on this wall, set its position X shift and position Y shift to 0.90 meters, which matches the position X shift of the first cabinet. With Archimesh cabinets, it is incredibly easy to create different segments of kitchen cabinets by calling the cabinet tool multiple times. This flexibility allows for precise customization and seamless integration of various cabinet sections to perfectly fit any kitchen layout. In the next lessons, we'll dive into textures and materials. We'll explore how to select images from the internet to use as textures for our kitchen cabinets, floor tiles, and other surfaces. This process will help us visualize and choose the right materials, such as laminates for the cabinets and tiles for the floor. Additionally, we'll learn how to edit these images using another free software, GIMP. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. See you in the next video.